This year, again, we are doing the 5th International South France Conference, and we have a great lineup of lectures and events. A few of them are being practical workshops. Professor Ralph Otterpole will be doing practical work about working with geomancy in gardening and agriculture, which is a practical workshop in the garden. And then we will have practical introduction to energy medicine with Lisa Morrissey, and another practical family constellation workshop with Carlos Avila, and another hands-on workshop, sauerkraut preparation together. It's powerful making food together where everyone's hands add their own life force to the mixture. So this will be done.
Alchemy of Fermentation. Yeah. Sorry, too fun.
Yeah. Right. So this will be presented by Austin Duran. So these are the practical workshops in addition to the lecture, the theoretical lectures that we have already in the program. And you can find the details at fractalfield.com/2025, early bird ending the 1st of June. Thank you.
fractalfield.com/2025. The program is now there. The speakers are there. And we had so much fun last year. And now we're adding more practical hands-on, get in there, get outside, have fun, hands-on, interactive. We're adding that element. And with our incredible catering and environment, why, this is going to be super fun, guys. Anywho, come if you can. South France, October 9 to 14. Fun, fun, fun.